A backlink, also known as an inbound link or incoming link, is a link from one website to another. When a website includes a link to another website, it is considered a backlink for the link to website. Backlinks are important for SEO, search engine optimization, because search engines, such as Google, use them as a way to measure the popularity and authority of a website. The more high-quality websites that link to a site, the more likely it is that the site will rank well in search engine results. Backlinks can come from different types of sources like blogs, social media, directories, and other websites. Additionally, backlinks from authoritative websites carry more weight than those from less reputable sites. Outbound links, also known as external links, are links on a website that point to other websites. These links allow users to navigate from one website to another, and they can be added to text, images, and other types of content on a website. Outbound links are important because they help to establish a website's credibility and authority by showing that the site is connected to other relevant and trustworthy sources of information. Additionally, outbound links can also help to increase the visibility of a website by sending referral traffic to other sites. Search engines also take into account outbound links as a sign of authority and relevance of the website. Outbound links can be beneficial as long as they are relevant to the topic and are not too many.